Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Keogram, the Sky in 2025. So what do we see here? Well, this is what is known as a keogram. Now, a keogram is essentially looking at the entire sky all at once for one entire year. So here in this diagram, January's up at the top, December down at the bottom, and each individual line is one day of the year. And that's done by taking a picture of the sky every 15 seconds during the entire year, and then putting that all together and being able to see the image here and giving us a real idea of what the sky looks like over time. Now, some things are probably pretty obvious here. We have night in the middle, in the little hourglass shape in the middle, and that is nighttime. We have the blue sky of daytime to either side of that. So we can see when there's night and day, and we can also see how the length of the night changes over the course of the year. We see that it's very long night in the winter. This is taken in the Netherlands, so January, December, longer nights, whereas in June and July we have much shorter nights. And that would actually change depending on where you are on Earth. If you're down closer to the equator, and in fact at the equator, it would be essentially the same all the time. 12 hours of day, 12 hours of night. The closer you got to the poles, the more that would pinch in at the middle, and eventually you would have, if you went far enough north, days where the sun would never set. Now, a few other things that we can see here are the right lines going through the night. So the night is not completely dark. And if you notice, there's about 12 of those. That's the moon. So our moon is going to be in the sky during certain times, and primarily there we're seeing our moon in the sky. It's brightening the sky and making it look a little brighter than the darkness, which would be near new moon. The brighter areas would be when the moon is in the sky, and brighter, that would be toward full moon. Now, the seasonal effects are also labeled there. We can see the summer solstice where it pinches in at the center. And we can see the two equinoxes, the spring equinox up above in March, the autumnal equinox down there in September, and then the maximum night we see down at the bottom, the winter solstice, which would be the longest amount of darkness that we have. So here we see a keogram for last year, for 2025, allowing us to see at a glance the entire year of the sky all in one image. So that was our picture of the day, titled Keogram, the Sky in 2025. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Sun's future. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.